Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atunike. So today I'll be share with you all how I achieved this lovely DIY crochet wig. So you can see what I'm using to achieve this gorgeous wig. I've already shown you guys from the beginning. I'm cutting this Xpression into 3. I'll be cutting one Xpression, I'll cut it into 3. You can actually cut it to any length you want. It depends on how you want the hair to be. So now I'm just stretching the hair out. After I'm done stretching it out, I'm going to be brushing it to detangle it. So keep on watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much, guys. Please do not forget to turn on the notification bell, and please do not forget to subscribe. So now you can see I started from the back. I started crocheting, just crocheting. The main work is towards the end of the video. That is when you're going to see how I did the cutting, how I stretched the hair out, how I achieved the fringe look. So kindly please keep on watching. I love working in section so that my work will be easier when I'm done with the hair. So if I crochet a little, I will detangle it, then I'll use this fancy band to hold it down so that it won't give me any stress to start detangling the hair after I finish crocheting my hair, and it won't even make your hair to look rough. The work, it will be very easy for you to do. If you want to achieve this style, make sure you have 2 packs of Xpression, small pack of, not the big braid, the small pack of Xpression 2. I didn't even finish the 2, but make sure you get 2 packs if you want to achieve this kind of hairstyle, and it depends on the kind of volume you want. If you want it to be kind of fuller, so make sure you have 2 packs. At this part, I'm showing you the line I drew was over much, as in it was too much, but I fixed that towards the end. I did it. So kindly please keep on watching. If you want to achieve yours, do not allow the line to go in like mine. Make sure you shift your hand a little bit front so that it will be very easy for you to form the circular motion. At the side, at that tiny side, you can see I use a very tiny crochet hook to crochet that, because the hole is not as wide as the one on the rest of the wig cap. So for me to cover that side, I use a very tiny crochet hook to crochet that part. At the fringe part, I use this hair. I didn't pick it out at all. I cut the hair into 6, the Xpression hair into 6. I didn't pick it out at all. But towards the end, if you remember, I said from the beginning that my hand, as in the line I drew, is really much. You should shift your hand a little bit first so that it can form the circular motion. I will explain that to you. So when I wanted to close the top part, I need to close it around. So some of the long hair fell to the front. You're going to see what I meant by that. So some of the hair fell to the front, but that one is nothing. As far the roots, I've already created the roots with my Xpression, not even picking, so it will be easier for me to cut, and I won't waste a lot of hair. No need of you picking the fringe parts. You don't need to pick it. Just as when you cut the hair, just use it to crochet the fringe part like that. And what I'm doing here, you can see I'm showing you, I'll crochet to this side, then crochet to the other side for me to form the circular motion to cover the top. You can see from the beginning, the root is not even showing as if it's a crocheted hair. That is what I'm trying to achieve here. You can see the way I'm crocheting is already forming a circular motion. So some of this hair fell to the front part, to the fringe part, but never mind, it's nothing. We are going to fix that towards the end of this video. So I just keep crocheting. That is what I'm doing. Keep crocheting till I close it around, till the root is kind of natural. So at that front, I reduce my hand with my crochet hair a little. I'm picking the hair little by little so that it won't show. Here I dip it into the hot water. The water is not really hot. I can dip my hand into the hot water. That is how I put my crochet hair into the hot. So this is the final look after the hair is dry. So now let's cut the front. So you can see just trimming at this part. I ran out of weave-on oil, and I can only get this at African style. I don't like the one they sell in the supermarket, so I'm using some shea butter. Yes, you can actually use shea butter to straighten your hair. So I use a little bit of shea butter, I rub it on it, then I use my hot comb just to straighten the hair out. The hair is already straight and the volume is good. Just adding a little bit of sauce to it. I'm using my straightener just to turn the front in. This straightener, don't allow it to be hot. No, just allow it to be a little bit, as in temperature should be a little, so that you won't damage the hair, so that the straightener won't roast the hair. So that is what I'm trying to do here. So now let's see the final look. Boom! Oh my god, can you see what I'm talking about? The roots, like you must allow it to form a circular motion. So guys, this is the final look. Please support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button, like, comment, share with your loved one, turn on the notification bell so that I can be notified anytime your girl drop a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate your support, your love, your comments, your feedback. I really appreciate it so much. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao. Love you. Mwah. Mwah.